Some cars are built to impress, others are built to dominate. And then there are cars that completely redefine what performance means. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale is already a legend, but in 2027, Ferrari takes it even further, amplifies it. Let's take a closer look. The 2027 Ferrari SF90 Stradale is nothing short of breathtaking. Every line, every curve, every surface has a purpose, not just to look stunning, but to cut through air with precision. The front features a low, aggressive nose with razor-sharp LED headlights, while the sculpted hood channels airflow directly into the car's advanced cooling systems. From the side, the SF90 looks compact, muscular, and incredibly focused, a true mid-engine supercar stance. At the rear, the signature quad taillights, massive diffuser, and active aero elements remind you that this car belongs on a racetrack, even when it's standing still. This isn't just Italian design, it's aerodynamic art. Now, let's talk about what makes the SF90 truly special. At its core, the 2027 SF90 Stradale features a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with 3 electric motors. Together, this hybrid system produces nearly 1,000 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful road-going Ferraris ever created. The result? 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in around 2.5 seconds. Instant torque, relentless acceleration. Power is delivered to all 4 wheels, giving the SF90 incredible grip and control, whether launching from a standstill or attacking high-speed corners. This is not just speed, this is controlled violence, engineered to perfection. What truly sets the SF90 apart is its intelligence. Thanks to its advanced plug-in hybrid system, the SF90 can drive in pure electric mode for short distances, completely silent, completely emissions-free. Ferrari's control software constantly analyzes driving conditions, seamlessly blending electric and combustion power for maximum performance and efficiency. You don't feel the transition, you don't hear it, you just feel relentless acceleration, exactly when you want it. This is electrification done the Ferrari way. Step inside the 2027 SF90 Stradale and everything revolves around one thing: the driver. The cockpit is futuristic, minimal, and incredibly focused. A fully digital curved display replaces traditional gauges, while touch-sensitive controls on the steering wheel give you instant access to drive modes, performance data, and vehicle settings. The seating position is low and aggressive, wrapping you into the car like a racing suit. Premium materials, carbon fiber, Alcantara, and leather remind you that this is both a hypercar and a Ferrari. It's not about luxury for comfort, it's about luxury for control. On the road or track, the SF90 feels extraordinary. Thanks to advanced torque vectoring, active suspension, and Ferrari's latest chassis technology, the car feels unbelievably stable at high speeds. Steering is razor-sharp, braking is immediate, and the balance between grip and agility feels almost unreal. Despite its extreme performance, the SF90 inspires confidence, making the driver feel connected, not overwhelmed. This is Ferrari engineering at its absolute peak. So, what is the 2027 Ferrari SF90 Stradale? It's proof that the future of supercars doesn't have to be silent, and it doesn't have to lose its soul. It's a perfect fusion of raw emotion and advanced technology, a machine that respects Ferrari's legacy while boldly pushing forward. This is not just a car, it's a statement. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, make sure to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more premium supercar content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.